then there is a discrimination, yes, but that discrimination is due to customers, and that will prevail. What if government wants this kind of discrimination? If government's mandate passes a law that in restaurants the dishwashers only be done by female, not male, then you can just do nothing. Customers are bound, employer are bound because of this discrimination due to government policies. Alright? What if government says that you need to give at least 30% of your employees, hire 30% of employees as a female, and you cannot find females, and even if you find a female for the job, they are not according to your capabilities, or they have low college salary, college income, college degrees, low, for example, productivity, or even though they don't want to do this job, but since the government says that 30% should be the female staff and they would be given at least minimum salary of according to the males. So the male counterparts will always complain that this female is doing nothing just because the government says that we should maintain the gender ratio and she is getting higher salary than me. Or in case of old care or care services, child protection, or daycare centers, the government says that no more male staff is required because females are more carey. So old homes, the education sector, or the daycare sectors should be all female. Then males will be saying that okay, we are paying less. Why? Because government demands only females, not us. So the crux is that discrimination is there. Yes. Either discrimination is done by companies. No. Employer? No. Customers? Yes. Government? Yes. If the discrimination is advertised by the or mandated by the government or the customers, then it will persist. Otherwise, those companies who go for who go for discriminating policies, they will no longer be competitive in the market, and they will be outrun by those who do not discriminate. So if you see a discrimination by employer, so that employer in some coming years either will learn his lesson through the competition or will be exiting the market because of higher production cost. Alright? So the wages differential persists in competitive market only when customer want that, or only when governments mandate it. If you understand the discrimination and wages differentials, please answer this question. So we have here, suppose an employer hires a worker with a blue eye and workers with a brown eye. Each type of worker has the same productivity, right? Which of the following is correct if the employer discriminates by offering blue-eyed workers lower wages than the brown-eyed worker? So what we are talking about here? Discrimination by employer. Which one is correct?
Sir,
Yes.
I don't know if it's only me, but I think the screen. Oh,
Can you see screen?
we're only to the first page. Wait, you can?
The screen is froze.
Guys, can you see?
We can see now.
Okay. So what is the answer here? If employer is giving blue-eyed worker lower wages than the brown-eyed, so which one is the discrimination here? Venetia, Lancelot, Pavaroon, Nana, which one is the correct answer?
See?
The employer will immediately go out of the business. If I am discriminated right now, so I will be immediately go out from the business. No,
Yes.
C cannot be the answer. Answer is B. What about A? The employer will be just as efficient? No, because if employer is discriminating, he is inefficient. C, I told you, can never be the answer because immediately you cannot go out from the business. You will be fined. All right? It's illegal, you will be fined, but immediately you cannot go out from the business. The only thing is the employer will face higher costs than the firms that focus on profit maximizing. So profit maximizing means total cost minimizing. So total cost will minimize when you pay, when you do not discriminate. All right? When you don't pay higher salaries to certain people. How about this one? Business owners who care only about making money are, so they discriminate? Answer is no. Likely to be discriminated, likely to be replaced by discriminating businesses? Answer is no. More concerned about racial discrimination than the gender discrimination? Answer is no. Business owners who care about making money are at advantage when competing against those who practice discrimination. D. Because those who care about the money, they won't discriminate. Those who care about the profits, they don't discriminate. All right? Because they are earning higher salary than those who are discriminating. How about this one? Which of these intenses, instances would constitute labor market discrimination? Anate or Annette receives a higher wages than Justin. Annette and Justin are identical in all of their labor market characteristics except. So you need to find out which scenario has discrimination. Find out. So which one is the labor market discrimination?
B.
Well done. If Annette has a college degree and Justin has school diploma, then of course there is a difference in earnings, and that is due to equilibrium wages. Annette is a woman and Justin is a man, then there is a gender discrimination because all things are identical here. The productivity is the same. And it has 15 years experience. The more you got the chance or experience, the more you have the salary. So and it should be given more salary. It's true. So this is not discrimination. This is also true. Only this is the discrimination. All right. Now answer this question. Joe is a white 23-year-old male and Mike is a black 23 years old male. Both ages are same. One is white and one is black. Both Joe and Mike have economic major. Their education is the same. They graduated with the same college in the same year with the same GPA. Everything is identical except their color. So they both get a job in brokerage firm. They both work equally hard. Joe earns 38,000 because he is white, and Mike earns 30,000 because he is black. So which would best explain this wage differential?
D.
Which one is discriminated? Mike, because Mike is being paid less, not Joe. Joe is being paid high salary. All right. Mike should be also paying 38,000. So Mike is being discriminated because he is black. Well done, guys. So it's true or false? Profit maximizing competitive firms will not discriminate in hiring workers unless consumer exercise a preference for discrimination in the product market and the government mandates the discrimination. It's true or false?
True.
Well done. All right. So up till now, what we have discussed yes, there is a difference between the market payments for work done. So in our previous class, we talked about the wages, the labor supply, right? We talked about the the market of labor supply and labor demand, and now we talked about why there is a difference between the wages, and we logically answered that, right? And then we try to find out whether there is a discrimination, what constitute the what constitute the uh, discrimination. So we carefully find out the companies for a companies it is not profitable to continue the practice of discrimination. If they are doing the discrimination, they will lose money in future or they are becoming less competitive. So if they wanna be competitive, they must this abort this kind of or they must forego this kind of practices. But what if the discrimination is required or wanted by the government mandate or government laws or by the customers? Then companies would prevail this kind of discrimination. All right. So any question regarding our final and also our this? So everything is
No
clear?
question, sir.
Okay. So please use Zing Talk for our final exam. All right, our Chumu is will not be available because it is expired and it is available for 3 months. So I think we just have only one class. So naturally, it is good to go through Ding Talk. All right, everyone. So good luck for your exam.
Okay.
It's been nice, teaching you, and I have a good memories with you guys. Okay, take care. My best wishes are for you. Good luck for your exam. See you next week. Take care. Bye bye.
Thank you. See you,
Thank
sir.
you, sir.
Thank you so
Bye.
much.
Bye bye.
Have a good night. Bye.
Bye.
Bye.